Hello everyone. Gagwego scano. Agijango at Gagwego. Jo hioaje od gunonyo. Da one. Dango diogod. De ana od neojea. Helwe ganon de guate. As you know, earlier this week, the nation announced an agreement with New York Governor Kathy Hochul and was signed, clearing the way for compact discussions with New York State. This decision was made after considerable and careful dialogue with outside counsel from many different outlets. We've set our sights moving forward in an effort to develop a compact that addresses our concerns, secures our long-term competitive place in the gaming landscape, and, first and foremost, ensures that Senecas are the true primary beneficiaries of our gaming operations. We understand that our nation has questions about where we are and what comes next. That's why we're going to be holding 2 public meetings for Senecas next week. The meetings will take place on Wednesday, January 19th at the ACC and Thursday, January 20th at the CCC. Each meeting will run from 5:30 to 7:30 and all COVID safety precautions will be enforced. Speaking of COVID, the recent surge in cases continues to sweep through our community and the entire region. As of today, we have 449 active COVID cases in our community. In Allegheny, 62 cases were detected by Allegheny Health and 118 through the CTS testing site. In Cattaraugus, 36 cases have been detected by Cattaraugus Health and 233 by our CTS testing. This trend can only be curtailed if we work together on both detection and prevention. In Allegheny, CTS testing, with both rapid tests and PCR tests available, takes place 7 days a week from 3 to 7 p.m. at the ACC. Please use the back parking lot and entrance. This testing is open to everyone in the community, and appointments and insurance are not required for the CTS testing. Daily drive-through PCR testing through Bluestone is also available from 4 to 7 p.m. at the Allegheny DPW, located adjacent to the ACC. This drive-through testing is for enrolled Senecas only. Also, photo ID is required. As a reminder, anyone showing up for a PCR test is asked to not eat or drink for at least 1 hour prior to testing. In Cattaraugus, daily CTS testing is available 7 days a week from 3 to 7 p.m. at Seneca Fire Station number 2, with both rapid and PCR tests available. This station is located off of Route 5 behind the Gillet Arena. Traffic should enter from Lucky Lane, right by the bingo hall. This daily CTS testing is open to everyone, and appointments and insurance, again, are not required. We also held a second distribution of home testing kits for Senecas at both the ACC and CCC. At-home test kits have also been delivered to Seneca elders in order to help them keep safe and protected. For more information on our testing programs, please contact Mike Gates, Emergency Management Director at 716-244-0820, or check out the information online at our website, sni.org. Detection is only part of the equation in getting beyond this most recent surge. Protecting ourselves and those around us is a community responsibility. The greatest protection, again, against this virus and serious COVID-related illness comes from the COVID vaccine. Vaccines are available for everyone age 5 and older through the Seneca Nation Health System. To make your appointment, call Terry Cowles in Allegheny Health at 716-945-5894 or Kim Bradley in Cattaraugus Health at 716-532-5582, or there is the online form at senecahealth.org/vaccine. Along with the vaccine, the COVID measures announced at the beginning of the month remain in effect at nation buildings as an added layer of protection for Senecas and our nation. Of course, following all public health directives is an essential practice for everyone, regardless of where you live and whether you've been vaccinated or not. This includes masks, social distancing, and regular hand washing. If you're not feeling well, please stay home. If you're showing any symptoms whatsoever, please get tested. And if you need or want your vaccine or booster, please make that phone call today. Let's not let those numbers keep climbing in our nation. I also want to address Some disturbing and dangerous incidents that occurred recently in Cattaraugus. 2 incidents of armed robbery were recently reported at area businesses. At this point, we do not know if the incidents were related. In both cases, armed individuals took personal cell phones and vehicle keys of employees at the businesses. While these reports are unsettling, I want to ensure our community that the marshals are actively working with outside law enforcement to investigate the incidents and locate the suspects. Seneca business owners are cautioned to pay close attention to any unusual behavior by customers and visitors in your place of business. If anything should occur, first and foremost, please try and remain calm and do not fight or resist, potentially endangering yourself and those around you. Try to remember as many details about the suspects as possible, including their physical description of their vehicle, plate numbers, and direction they were traveling. Any information could be helpful to law enforcement. Also, please take care to have a security plan for your business. Check to ensure all security and surveillance equipment is working properly, and consider keeping an emergency phone in a secure location. Most of all, in case of any emergency, please dial 911. We want all of our Seneca businesses and their employees to be safe and successful. If you have questions or concerns, please contact the Marshal's office at 716-532-3040. Finally, please be prepared for the frigid temperatures that are expected to be here this weekend, especially if you need to go outside. Oh, and of course, go Bills! Have a great weekend, everyone. Please stay warm, stay safe, and stay strong. Donnie Hodiate.